AZ Fluency, Level F, Mother's Day. Echo, echo. Mother's Day. It is early. My little brother sleeps next to me. I say, "Wake up, James. It is Mother's Day. It is time for our plan." We sneak out of bed. We tiptoe quietly past Mom's room. We do not want to wake her. James and I make things nice. We pick up our toys. We dust off the table and chairs. Then we decorate. We have cards and flowers. When Mom wakes up, she will see them right away. She will know how special she is to us. Okay, so the main idea of this story of Mother's Day is that it's Mother's Day and the kids have a plan to surprise her. Or the main idea of this story is the kids want to have a nice surprise for their mom on Mother's Day. Good job persevering with a growth mindset, and roar Wildcats!